kind of dog you got?
Huh?
What kind of dog you got?
Frenchie. Let's go, Moses.
Control the tie. Hand fight.
Forehead to forehead. Forehead to forehead. Under control, under control. Stay forehead to forehead, Moses. Shot right there.
Control it.
Forehead to forehead.
This guy's athletic director at Redwood right here in the back. He used to be a coach for years.
Good. Set that up. Look for that opportunity again. Hey, it's a great time to take a shot when he backs to the edge. It's a great time to take a shot when he backs to the edge. Forehead to forehead. Snap. Snap. Counter, counter, counter. Counter. Score. Good. You see what he did? He backed to the edge and circled you out to take his shot. You take the shot when he backs to the edge. Forward, forward, good. Control the tie. Hand fight. Forehead to forehead.
When he reaches, you pose.
30 seconds.
Watch it.
Your shot. Good job. Hey, keep the pressure up. Take that shot on the edge. Control the edge. Snap it, bump it. Forehead to forehead. Up, 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 up. Good. That's a great job. One more time.
15 seconds, 14, go.
Straight back. Pressure. Forehead to forehead. Down off on that. 5 seconds. Score, score, score. Don't give it up. Counter, counter. Get your elbow back. Get your elbow back. Hey, fight inside the tie. Good forward pressure on the whistle. Forward. Bump.
Catch that.
Knee up the rear. Knee up the rear.
Roll that up. Roll that up.
Use your knee to
There you
catch
go.
that wrist.
There you go. There you go. Follow.
Underneath the arms, underneath the arms. All right, there you go, punch through.
Yep.
Keep it across the back, Moses. Keep it across the back.
Get that strong. Get that strong. Catch that wrist.
Near ankle.
There you go down. On him.
Run that bar, run it. Heavy pressure, drive pressure.
Keep that. Go. Run it. Big steps. Good job. Good job, bud.
Hey, just gonna hold on to your hand, make sure he doesn't get turned. You gotta keep the pressure on him, make sure you keep him down.
Make a fist when you do that bar.
Forward. Keep him on his head.
On him.
Bump.
Bump forward. Knee bump forward. On him.
2-on-1.
Catch the wrist.
2-on-1.
Roll it up. Run it.
Knee up the rear.
Knee up the butt.
Hey, keep it up. Stay on him. Attack his wrist. He gets hand control for that. Re-wrist.
Forward pressure.
Stop that. Catch the wrist. Stop it. Follow. Good.
There it is.
Good. Roll that up.
2 on 1. 2 on 1. Bump. Knee up the rear.
Near
Flatten
the
the butt.
Big bump. Forward pressure.
Attack wrist.
Catch the wrist. Roll that up. On him.
Re-wrist. Grab his hand. Grab his hand that's holding it.
Yes. Post up. Up top. Short time.
No near fall. Period's out.
Period's done.
Time is out.
If we're down and having minus 61. If we're down and minus. Oh, we got the first one. Okay, we only got one.
Slow, dive straight through.
Let's go, Moses. It's all right.
Hey, Moses, you're going to try it. You're going to walk in. When you explode, when you dive out, look to switch. The TV's just behind you. Good.
Up. Good job. Lord. Good job. Get away.
Hand fight.
Control the time. Control the hands. Forehead.
Forehead to forehead. Hand
Forehead.
fight.
Hand fight. But yes. Keep that neck.
Look at his stance. Pressure.
Sprawl. Counter.
Get your arm out.
Get your arm out. Stuff the head. Good.
Get your arm out.
Get in the hole.
Get your arm out of there.
Get in the hole.
Spin.
Good
2 on 1.
job.
2 on 1. Roll it up. Nice and tight.
Roll that up.
Drive pressure. Look for your half.
Half on the right side.
Roll it up. Yep, nice.
Good position. Right there. Run that
Pressure
in.
on him. Keep pressure on him. Drive
That in.
forward that 2 on 1. Drive forward. Just pressure.
Hips down.
Cross wrist, circle this side of your ankle. You're up. Nice. Hold. Keep towing. We're out.
Good job.
Keep it up.
Run. Follow. Drop. Forward pressure. Off your knees.
That's that cross Cross wrist.
Catch that. Good job.
Look for it when he builds up. Hit it. Push it across.
Keep it.
Get off your knees.
Off your knees. Good. Ball that up. Make a fist. Catch the wrist.
Wrist forward.
Run it. Big step. Big step.
Shoulder in his ear.
Shoulder in the ear. Big
His
step.
shoulder in his ear.
Good. Hold. Hold. Good job.
Both knees over.
Step over. Step over. Hips down.
Drop your hips.
Hips down.
Heavy hips.
Hips down. I like this guy. Who is this guy today? He can go great. Now he's gonna put my tapes.